Hello, little scholars! Do you know which letter comes after H in the alphabet? It's the letter I. Today, we're going to explore the sounds I makes and discover some exciting words that begin with it. Let's go on an adventure with the letter I. Here we go! This is the letter I. It's the 9th letter in the alphabet. It has two shapes, uppercase I and lowercase I. Letter I. Let's write the letter I. For uppercase I, draw a tall line down. Then add a little line on the top and another line on the bottom. And that's uppercase I. For lowercase I, draw a short line down and put a tiny dot on top, just like that. Lowercase I. Now it's your turn. Let's practice writing the letter I in the air. Wave your finger and follow along with me. Great job writing the letter I! The letter I is special because it can make two sounds. A short sound, I, like in igloo, and a long sound, I, like in ice cream. One sound the letter I makes is the short sound, E. We make the short I sound by opening our mouth a little like you're smiling shyly and saying, I, I, I. Now let me hear you try it. Say, I. Amazing! Here are some words that start with the short I sound. I, iguana. I, iguana. I, igloo. I, igloo. I, inchworm. I, inchworm. I, insects. I, insects. I, impala. I, impala. The other sound the letter I makes is the long sound I. When I says its name, it's making the long sound. Say it with me. I. Great job. Let's learn some words that start with the long I sound. I, ice cream. I, ice cream. I, iron. I, iron. I, island. I, island. I, iris. I, iris. I, ice. I, ice. Let's play a letter hunt game. Can you spot every uppercase I and lowercase I? Find all the uppercase and lowercase I hidden in this picture. Ready, set, go! Great job, little scholars! Now let's find some words that start with I. Can you spot two pictures that start with the short I sound? Short I sound goes I. iguana, and igloo. Inchworm and impala. Insect and ink. Injection and inside. Let's practice the long I sound. Point to the picture that has the long I sound. Remember, the long I says its name, I. Ice cream. Island. Iron. You did it again! You did an incredible job learning the letter I today. You learned its name, its short sound and long sound, and even how to write it. You also did great in naming pictures that start with the letter I. Give yourself a big cheer! See you next time, little scholars, for another letter adventure.
Hey there, did you have fun learning with us today? If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting learning. By liking our videos, you help us know what you enjoy learning about. And subscribing means you won't miss out on any of our awesome educational content. See you again next time here at Little Scholars Network. Until then, keep curious and keep exploring.